Fam, you won't believe this, but one meal I always look forward to having when I visit Benin City is rice and stew. I know you might be wondering that what's so special about rice and stew, but guys, at home in Benin City, when you are about to serve rice and stew, the rice is always served in these banana leaves. And guys, this just changes everything. It changes the taste, it changes the vibe, the appearance. It just makes everything a whole lot different. Aside the fact that wrapping meals in banana leaves is actually very medicinal, because these banana leaves contain various essential nutrients, have polyphenols, vitamin A, vitamin C. So when you place your food on banana leaves, some of these nutrients are passed into the food, so this ends up increasing the nutritional value. Guys, I think this is a must try. So next time when you want to serve rice and stew at home, instead of just serving it the normal way, you can add a bit more of drama to it. Serve your white rice in banana leaves, and I'm sure everybody that's going to eat it will be like, this really tastes different. So guys, in the next 1 minute, I'm just going to show you how you are going to wrap this. So all you need to do is to take 2 leaves. One is usually bigger than the other. Make sure your leaves are already cleaned, and then you just serve a medium quantity of rice into the leaves. Guys, you don't want this rice to be too much, because if the rice is too much, it will be difficult. And then just by folding one side, folding the other side, just the way you can see it, it's as easy as that. You can just wrap your rice. So tilt one side, tilt the other, you can see, take it down and then cover the top, and just like that you can easily wrap your rice in banana leaves. And also, if you want to add stew after wrapping it, before closing it, you can just add your stew to it and add your meat or your any protein of your choice to it, and just like that, your paper rice, as is usually called, is ready to go. Guys, let me know, would you be trying this out? If it's your first time watching any of our videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button, turn on notification bell, so when I upload more videos you get to see it. So guys, let me know, are you going to be trying out this method in the comment section? I would really love to get your feedback.